Hello everyone, in this video I'll be explaining you the problem Carnival wheel, and it was asked in Codeforces Global Round 31 for Division 1 and 2. So let's read out the problem. You have a prize wheel divided into L sections, numbered from 0 to L minus 1. The sections are arranged in a circle. So after section L minus L, the numbering continues again from section 0. Okay, so I'll make you visualize on the board. So initially the prize pointer is at section A. Each time you spin the wheel, the pointer moves exactly B sections forward. That is, after one spin, the pointer moves from section A to section A plus B model. Uh, yeah, I'll tell you this also. So after two spins, it is going to be A plus 2, 2B model, and so on. So you may spin the wheel any number of times, including 0. After you stop, the section where the pointer finally lands determines your price. You receive an amount equal to the number of that section. Okay, so what is the maximum price you can obtain, they're asking. So yeah, let's see. Input, so we have test cases. For every test case we have three integers, L, A and B. So let's understand. They've given four test cases and we have 5 3 2 in the first test case. So let me go to the board. So in the first test case, LAB they've given 5 3 and then 2. So in the question what they've said is, so there are L sections. Okay, there are L sections. You can think of this way. Okay, so there are L sections. So it is numbered from 0 1 2 3 4, it will go up till so on till L minus 1. Since it is starting from 0, so it will go till L minus 1. And in the question they said it is in a circle. Okay, so after L minus 1 we will get 0. So here is a pointer you can think of. So it is rotating, I mean we can spin that. So wherever a pointer lands, okay, let's say it lands somewhere here after a rotation. So our score value is 4, whatever is the section's number. So initially what they're saying is, let's say A is a number, I mean section where initially the pointer is pointing, and B distance, I mean you can think of distance or units, you can think of, moves forward. Okay, initially he is at A, and in each rotation, if he wants to rotate one time, so B distance will move. Let's say B is, after rotating, he is somewhere here. Okay, so it's like now the score will be A plus B modulo L. Why modulo L? Because it may happen that your A plus B can cross L minus 1. Okay, so in that case you don't have uh, greater number than L minus 1. So in that case you'll have to take mod L. So mod will make sure your whatever this number is coming, it is between 0 to L minus 1 only. Okay, so yeah, this is the question they've asked, and we need to find out the maximum possible answer. So when you spin one or two times, or including 0 times, so what is the maximum you know uh, price you may get, and price values are defined as section number. So so the thing is, how can you solve this? Okay, so in the first question, if you see, L is 5, which means we have 5 sections. We have 0 1 2, or let me take it in a circle only. So we have 0 1 2 3 and 4. Since there are 5 sections, it is starting from 0 to L minus 1, and initially our pointer is at 3. Our pointer is at 3. So uh, since our pointer is 3, so answer, let's say, is 3 only we can think of. Okay, now we want to move two distance forward, 1 and 2. When he moves 2 distance forward, now our pointer is here. So now the price is 0. So which is maximum out of 3 and 0? It is 3 only. So we'll not do anything. Then we'll move 2 distance forward, 1 and 2. Okay, so when we are moving 2 distance, so now we are at this position. Now the price value is 2, but we have got initially only 3, so which is maximum, so we'll not take that. Again we'll move 2 distance, 1 and 2. So when we are moving here, say we are getting 4, and since we are getting 4, it is maximum, right? So here we have, and yeah, this is our answer. So I think simulation you have understood, but then how long do you do these things? Okay, is the question now. Okay, so I've got answer here, but still I want to move 2 distance forward, 1 and 2. I'm in here at this position. Our answer is 4 is maximum only. Again I'll move 2 distance forward, 1 and 2. So I'm here at this position. Okay, what I'm trying to say is that whatever value you have, right, you're starting at. So no matter how many turns you do, like either 1, 2 or 3 turns, you will be finally reaching at the initial position only, which was 3. We were starting with A, so after multiple rotations we'll again come to AMD. So now what will the simulation what I've said right now will do the same thing, but our condition in a while loop or for loop, whatever we do, the condition would be your the remainder, A plus B mod value L, or whatever value we're getting, if it is not equals to A is this A, and A can be keep on changing, right? So I'll tell you what do I mean by A is keep on changing. So if it is not equals to initial A, we can write it here it as initial A. Then we can move. When it is equals to initial A, we'll come out of the loop, and we will be having the answer. Okay, and it may happen that in question like this, let's say your B is 10. When your B is 10, which means initially you are at 3, you need to move 10 distance. So it's like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So it's like 2 times you're moving, right? So you should not be moving 10 times. Okay, it's like uh, the iteration is not that optimized. So whatever is the size of the sections, you modulo that value, you modulo B with that value. So if you do B is equals to B modulo L, so it is going to be 10 modulo 5, which is going to be 0. So essentially what does it mean is that you don't need to move. So see, 10 means like, say you were here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You are again at this position only. You can't move to any other position. Even if you do second iteration, it's like again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So essentially you're not moving forward. So this is the a thing that I wanted to tell you. Whatever B value you will get initially, so you just model with L. Okay. So I think you guys have understood how to solve this. So let me write pseudo code, then you will understand. What I'll try to do is initially I'll take answer as whatever is the starting position. So what in the question they said including 0 times you can move. So whatever is the starting position, here it is. So that is our answer. But next I'll take one loop. In that what I'll do is I'll take A plus B modulo L. But before taking answer, what I'll do is B, I'll make it as B modulo L as I explained you. So if it is not equals to initial A, so we'll take one more variable initial A, which is going to be whatever A value is there. So when it is not equals to initial A, which means the distance what we are moving is not the initial value. So which means we have got some new value. When we got some new value, what we'll try to do is we'll try to make A is equal to that value. It's like our pointer is there, and we'll update the answer. answer will be max of answer comma a right. Again we'll come to again for loop, and the new position wherever we have, now we try to move to the again b distance forward, and if it is not equals to initially, then again we do the same thing. If it is equal to initially, which means we have done iterations, and now from the a, it's like, see, what I'm trying to say is, see, in modulo operation, whatever you do, no matter a modulo, I mean any number, let's say x, if you do x modulo y, so your modulus value will be from 0, 1, 2 till y minus 1, right? So you take any number and try to take the modulo. The modulo will repeat in a cycle always, the modulo values. Okay, so it's the same thing when you are at this initial position and you are not taking any distance, like b distance, you have got this value. Now when you try to move to b distance and take modulo l, you will get some value. Again you are doing the same thing. So once you have got some multiple values, and then when you are at this same now a only, now even if you repeat the entire thing, I mean do the next b again distances, so you will get the value that you have got earlier. Okay, uh, the best way to say you is that I'll take this example only. It was 2, so your program is this much only. At the end you'll have to print answer, but let me again clear you. So we have 5, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 we have. Now initial pointer is at 2. Okay, now remember initial is pointer at 2, and 2 modulo L is 2 only. You just take the modulo sequence. Now you are moving 2 distance forward, 1, 2, you are at this position. So your modulo value is 4. Again you are moving at 2 position. So it's like 4 you had, 4 which is a, plus 2 you will be moving, which is 6. 6 modulo 5 is giving you 1. So here if you see 1 and 2, which is 1 only, you have got 1. Now again 2 distance will moving, you will get 3. Again 2 distance will move, you will get 0. Okay, once you are at 0, now again 2 distance are moving, you are at 2. Okay, you are at 2. So the sequence what you got, 2, 4, 1, 3, 0. Now again if you do the same thing, you will get again, say 2 distance forward, 4 you will get, again 2 distance forward, 1 you will get, again 2 distance forward, 3 you will get. So what I'm trying to say is, if you do one operation from wherever you're starting till the ending one, so you'll get all the values, and within this you're getting the maximum. Okay, and if even if you repeat after this, the series is going to be repeated. I think you guys have understood. So let's try to code it up. Let's take the input, number of test cases, and number of test cases I have taken care of this position, and then for every test case I'm calling a function solve. We have 3 integers L, A and B as the input. Let's take those, and our initial answer, as I said, will be A, and I'll take initial A, which is going to be A only, and while A plus B modulo L not equals to initial A, what we're doing is A is equal to A plus B modulo L, and our answer is max of answer comma A. At the end we'll have to display the answer. Let's try to run it. Here it is running fine. Let's try to submit this. So yeah, it got accepted, and you could have easily solved the problem in this way. So basically you have to understand the problem, like how modulo works, and what would be the sequence that we will be getting. So yeah, if you could do these things, you could have easily solved this. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video.